I'm Jackie Parker here at Patriot Subaru, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to use our Express Buy buying program via our website. Using our Express Buy program, you can figure out current payments, you can figure out a trade value on the car you're currently driving, and save lots of time before you come to the dealership. In fact, you can do everything over your computer and we can deliver the car right to your driveway if that's easiest for you. The first step in the Express Buy process is to select your vehicle from our website. When you click the Patriot Express Buy button, a new window will open and ask a little bit of information about your current driving practices and some things that are going forward. You'll enter your zip code and the way in which you are looking to pay for the vehicle. You can even adjust your credit score to be more accurate about payments. Once you've selected the vehicle that you're looking to purchase and told us how you're looking to pay for it, you can add a trade vehicle if you have one. You can either enter your VIN number here or put in some basic information about the car you're currently driving. You'll be able to select if the vehicle is in fair, good, or very good condition, enter your current mileage, and some more information. The next screen allows you to add some of the finer details about your specific trade vehicle into the system. Please note that the app does pull all of the standard features of the trim level that you did select. You'll answer some questions about the condition of your current car. At Patriot Subaru, we use Kelley Blue Book to give your average trade value, a source you can depend on. We'll save our trade and move on. You can even add another trade if you have one. At this point, the program will ask for a little bit more personal information from you so that we can tailor your payment to any specials that might be applicable to your location. Continue to move on. This next screen gives us options to move forward, giving us financing options, lease options, or a cash purchase of the car. Select the one that is most applicable to what you'd like to do, and we can customize it from there. You'll see your custom payment change as you change the options that you'd like to use moving forward. Select Continue when you're ready to move forward with your payment. You'll even be given options to protect your vehicle during the course of ownership. You can learn more about vehicle service contracts, prepaid maintenance, as well as protections for the physical appearance of your vehicle. You'll be offered great explanations on these options and how much it will cost you per month should you choose to add one. Once you've worked out all the finer details about your down payment and payment on the vehicle, you'll be given the option to move forward with a credit application so we can get everything approved and set up the paperwork for you, or to set up a time to get a fast pass to come in and finalize your deal. If you choose to move forward with a finance application, you'll be prompted to add your personal information right on the screen. If you've elected to move forward with a fast pass appointment here at the dealership, there's lots of paperwork we can get out of the way to save you time before you get here. You can upload your driver's license and insurance card before you arrive, as well as your vehicle registration card from the current car. You can also choose to skip this and we can take care of that when you arrive. You can also add photos of your current vehicle so that we can get a better idea of the condition of your trade. As well, you can skip this and we'll take pictures of the car when you get here. Your Fast Pass will be generated right on your computer screen and you can print this out and bring it in or save it right to your phone as an image if that is how you're entering the information. As always, our team is here to help out in any way they can, including get you more information on the car, any specials or incentives that are on the vehicle that you're interested in, or any discounts or sales that are also applicable to the car you're interested in buying. It's that easy. You can do all of this work from your phone, tablet, or computer at home or work, and we can take care of the heavy lifting for you here at the dealership. And as I mentioned before, we can even deliver the car right to your driveway. We look forward to working with you here at Patriot Subaru, and we hope our Express Buy program makes your buying experience easy and hassle-free.